enjoying being part of Belgium's adventure and my family's adventure and my professional and personal adventure in Thailand. It was an honor to serve in this country for 4 years. And thank you for having contributed to our bilateral relation in a way or in another. Thank you for your friendship. Thank you for your support. I could not have a better example of this thank you than Karl and Karl Steppe. La déclaration civile d'officier de l'Ordre de Léopold à Madame Nooror and Mr, chef cuisinier et cofondatrice de Blue Elephant International.
The honor that has been bestowed upon Nooror and myself by the King, by His Majesty, the King of Belgium.
And I would like to thank to Belgium country. I became a good chef because of Brussels and Belgium. Thank you so much.